Yeah.
अरे मैं अभी I was just going through एक YouTube, I think कल रात को थोड़ा सा मैंने briefly देखा था शायद, I think who was that, नहीं ये सुनंदा is the one, she was giving a lecture about the वास्तु और ऐसा कुछ का था, है ना सुनंदा? अरे great है,
you were
fantastic.
looking into our channel.
हाँ हाँ,
हमने
of
बहुत
course.
पढ़ाई कराई यहाँ.
नहीं of course नहीं, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा because this has been one of my favorite area to look into. However मैं कभी इसमें read through नहीं कर पाया, ठीक है, इतना नहीं किया, मतलब bits and parts में किया है, but definitely I would like to look through the entire 1.5 hours का session.
It's a very long lecture. It's for like 2 hours.
Long lecture and a very popular one. You know, अगर बाकियों की views हैं 300-400 तो उसकी 1000-1200 ऐसे views हैं.
नहीं
people are so I think everybody wants to learn like in a quick way.
No, they want a shortcut कि हम यहाँ से यहाँ बैठ घुमा लेंगे तो मेरी जिंदगी बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी, पैसा ऊपर से पंखे से ऐसे टपकेगा, सबको ये आइडिया है तो देखते हैं. बाकी में हम बोलते हैं काम करो, वो पसंद नहीं आता किसी को. ये बात
नहीं बट अच्छा है, गुड. मैं आई जस्ट कुड सी अ ब्रीफ, थोड़ा सा देखा था मैंने, अब प्रॉपर्ली देखूंगा उसको मैं एक बार ना, बट इट्स गुड, इट्स वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट एरिया टू. अच्छा एक आई जस्ट वांट टू शेयर समथिंग. एक देयर वाज वन गाय कॉल्ड मिस्त्री था, क्या नाम था, द नेम पटेल या मिस्त्री, जो भी कोई, देयर वाज सम गुजराती आर्किटेक्ट, ओके, इन अहमदाबाद. So once he had come, I'm talking about when, like during my college time. So he had come and he was talking about, you know, this architecture, jo bhi, whatever he had done. He was sliding through all this, you know, the gliding us through the same slides on. And then I asked one question. I said, "Mujhe bataiye ki how much is the significance of the Vastu, or does it really exist, or it does not? And if you can talk something about it." He gave me one answer. I really could not understand how to react to that. He said, "For me, it's just a waste of time, Vastu." That's what he said. Quite surprising for me because the way he said it was a very strong statement.
I also have the same opinion. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं.
Because it was quite a surprise. Why am I so surprised? Because some people, they are having such strong opinion about Vastu, and some people, they are having again 180-degree opposite strong opinion about Vastu.
And there are some people. It is like Modi ji.
Sir, but I would like to say I never take Vastu as a as a religious something. I always take it, you need to always have a reasoning behind whatever you're doing. If you have if it opening in north direction, and you know why, because of course you want early morning sun to come in your house. You don't want after 3 o'clock sun to come into your house, so you always put less of windows and openings on your west side of your house. So it works on a scientific way. It depends how you're taking it. If you know the reason behind it, then it does make a lot of sense. If you're just taking for the heck of it on a religious belief, then of course it's something you feel that it's not, you know, as a layman आपको लगता है कि वो भेड़चाल हो गई कि, you know, अगर एक ने किया तो हम भी वास्तु वाला घर बनाएंगे, then it's wrong. You need to know why you're doing it.
या फिर ये कुछ ऐसा होता है कि either you hate me or either you like me or you hate me, but you can't miss me. It's like
but
that,
I feel that whatever you're doing in your life, you need to have a reason behind it. If you want Vastu if you want to construct your house according to Vastu, you need to feel very this thing about it, why I'm doing this, why I'm following Vastu, how it's gonna help me. If you have reasons like you want बिल्कुल nature oriented circulation ho, sun ho, then of course why not? I mean, science also says the same thing. Then why, if you're just merging both the things together, I think it makes perfectly good sense.
ठीक है, मैं I will just थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा time ना लेते हुए, I'll just share something with you. It is like one of my boss, you know, early boss, like so he told me like one thing. I was doing the interiors, you know, with him initial of time. So I asked him, I said, यार ये जो वास्तु का थोड़ा मेरे को बताओ इसके बारे में. So he was saying, he was talking to one of the client, you know, phone पे कुछ उसको बता रहा था. तो he said कि जो my office should be, मतलब my cabin should be towards the north, ऐसे करके, मतलब north direction, north east direction में जो भी था. So I was wondering why. I said, why did you say so? You're so strong about it. What is the reason? So he said, I said, मेरे को वाली language में समझाओ जो which I can understand. So he told me like, see what happens. हमारा ना एक analogy होती है. Our head is.
That is so
Okay,
correct,
okay,
because
okay.
it's
Our head is a north.
not pole and south pole. So when they say
Huh.
you should always sleep, when you sleep, never put your head on north side, because you have poles. So
Similar poles.
yeah, so they say they repel each other.
Correct.
Because north will repel. So you should always face south towards when you're sleeping. So it's north
Correct.
and south.
Okay, and there is another thing which he talked about. He said like, what happens? The head. Okay, head it has got a brain. Okay, brain has got the supremacy against your entire body, right? So it's a think tank. So that's why the head of the family and the head should be sitting in the north, because that's what the connotation is. So
It
that's
should
what
be in the
it's
south. It should be in the south.
अच्छा, I don't know. He said north. I don't know why he said south. तो मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि और it's something like, do I say it's like a Reiki जैसे होता है? अब जैसे I don't believe in
Reiki is
Reiki at all.
different. Reiki
No,
is
no.
Japanese.
अरे बाबा, what I'm saying, like people the way they have, Reiki में, some people they have a very strong belief into it, and some people they don't. Like I don't believe in Reiki at all. So either you believe it, if you मानो तो सब कुछ है, ना मानो तो कुछ नहीं है वाली बात है, ठीक है? So probably that architect what he was very clear. कहता है यार एक बात बताओ, तुम्हारा 600 स्क्वायर फुट के मेरे को अगर एक घर बनाने हैं किसी को, do you think I will be considering all these factors? कहते नहीं है मेरे को यार.
Basically, architects will not never support Vastu that much, because it's kind of a hindrance between, they don't want another factor while designing. Yeah, because it's very difficult to design according to Vastu. It's very difficult. So they don't want to have another factor affecting it.
Absolutely. पहले इतना परेशानी हो रही है.
Exactly. इतना pressure होता है client का, then they don't want to have another factor, changing the whole their plan and everything.
Okay.
It's a difficult task.
Altogether, it's like, I mean, it was an interesting topic. So I thought, okay, I will just kind of share with you. But definitely, I would like to go through this, Sunanda, and कभी मौका पड़ेगा तो I definitely will bother you individually as well. कि थोड़ा बताओ मेरे को.
Anytime, sir. Anytime.
ठीक है. चलो, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much, all you people. चलो, next, let's start करें. Thanks for being so patient and having our, talk heard. So next क्या किया जी हमने? We will try to take 10 people at least. या फिर एक काम करें, थोड़ा सा इसको बाद में करें, ये जो वाला फीडबैक का सेशन है, पहले कुछ और कर ले थोड़ा सा.
I think that would be better. Otherwise फिर सारा टाइम उसी में निकल जाता
है ना. तो ठीक है, मैं एक काम करता हूँ, पहले जल्दी से इसको करता हूँ. वेट हैंग ऑन ना. Okay जी. What is Gestalt? सबको पता है? Everyone knows about the Gestalt? All you people, yes or no? Please tell me.
They should know.
I don't know. I'm just asking you people. Please tell me, what is it? Any idea? Have you heard of Gestalt? Gestalt theory.
Yes, sir. It is quite similar to principles of design, and it was introduced by I think 2 people. And they planted this theory, and they planted out some principles that revolve around designing.
Right. So basically it's the same. I mean, see, when we are designing, that time we made few rules, okay, but those rules which had come in the principle of design, okay, they were extracted from the Gestalt only, or we can say, or it's like complementing each other. So it's chicken and egg वाली बात है, who came first. तो आप ये बोलना चाहते हैं कि 1920 से पहले या 19th century से पहले there was no design? ऐसा भी नहीं हो सकता, because these people they formalized this in 1920s, early 19th centuries, so that time.
Can I just add something here?
Yeah, tell me.
See, there is a little difference between Gestalt theory and the principles of design. Principles of design is for the designer. जब आप कोई चीज बना रहे हो, तो इस चीज को पॉइंट में रखो, स्टार्ट
Right.
टॉक्स फ्रॉम द अदर एंगल, कि जब कोई चीज को देखता है वो किस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखता है.
बिल्कुल सही
So you
कहा,
keep
बिल्कुल
those
सही।
points in mind while you're designing something.
Thank you. Jasmine very rightly said. Gestalt का जो law है ना, that is basically how is it is existing in the nature and the surroundings, and how we perceive as a human being, irrespective of being a designer or not. That's what. But जो principles जो बनाए गए हैं, especially जो if you talk about the graphics के, and graphics maybe especially when you talk about the UI and UX, okay, mostly they have been picked up from these Gestalt law से करके, and then principles have been embedded into it. That's what. Why is it is important now? First of all, okay. So Gestalt क्या है? Gestalt is basically it's the whole thing. You know, how do we perceive anything and the surrounding? So there are some images, there are some shapes, forms, there are a number of things which are there. So how it gets perceived by the onlooker. That's what it is. अब उसमें हमारे कुछ चीजें हैं जो उसको हमें हेल्प करते हैं कि हम इसे किस तरीके से परसीव कर रहे हैं. Okay, that's what it is. And why it is important? The reason, because then we take it forward with our psychological aspect, it gets into the user interface. So called the graphic design, and or any kind of design, matter of fact, but mostly the graphic design, I would rather say. Okay. So it has got number of, you know, अब ये आया कहाँ से था? That had come in the early 20th century by German theorists Max Wertheimer, Wolfgang Kohler, and Kurt Kofka. That's the name of these three, okay, German theorists. Okay, so these people, what they did, they tried to put it as a psychological concept. Okay, they said this in how people perceive the world. Okay, and whether it's getting changed or not, or क्या हो रहा है उसमें सब कुछ, they will do the something like a visual stimulation which will be keep on happening in their brain, in their eyes. So that's how, while they're looking at some objects or some kind of elements in these surroundings. So there were a few principles. Actually, there are a number of principles, but if I see the mostly what we get to see, mostly, okay, there are some like more than 12 principles. So every time this one more principle gets added, okay, it's all up to you how do you take it forward. Those, but mostly it has been noticed that there are 4 or 5 principles. These are like very predominant kind of principles which come into the play while we are looking at some elements, surroundings, objects, whatever you call it as. So one is similarity, principle of similarity. One is a principle of Gestalt principle or the theory of closure. One is proximity, one is continuation, and one is symmetry. Okay, there is one more which comes and figure and background. Okay, this is also there. Okay, which is a very, very prominent one. So 5, 6 of them are very, मतलब आप एकदम से देखोगे आपको पता लग जाएगा ये क्या चीज है. ठीक है? Like if I talk about this proximity wala, so what happens there in the law of proximity? It's basically the okay, so in the law of proximity, what happens? The group, the where is it? Okay. So the objects tend to be grouped together. वो group में नहीं है, but our eyes, they tend to make them in the group. So we pick the group first, always. So that's the law of proximity. The moment I look at this picture, okay, the moment I look at this picture, what happens? This particular, we always look at as a group, this one and this one in the isolation. We never see this as a group and this in isolation. We will see this as a group and this is isolation. So what is happening? That it's always tend to get grouped together if they are close to each other. You must have seen, एक कोई image होती है, उसके नीचे there is a paragraph written. If it is close by, then we always take it as one entity, complete one entity. And we know that the subject which is written underneath is corresponding to the image above. But if there is too much of a gap, little too much of a gap, then it goes somewhere else. It gets connected with the bottom one, right? Then law of similarity. Now, law of similarity, where what happens? We always, the moment we look at the product, or we look at the elements, we tend to group those elements which are similar in nature, and immediately our eye tends to go there. That's what it is. So in the first one, proximity, all of them are having the same shape, circle, everything is same, but because of the grouping, because of their closeness, okay, what we did, we grouped them. But here we are grouping them not because of the distance, we are grouping them because of the similarity, because of their same kind of a nature. Now, third one, when we talk about, we are having there's something called the continuation, which is law of continuity, principle of continuity. So in this continuity, what happens? You will never see, or I will probably never see like this. I will always see as a cross, like one line is going straight, one line is going straight. If you ask me to force myself to see like this, then I definitely will. But I will still be more comfortable seeing this as two continuous lines. But who says that these are continuous lines? I might have drawn it like this only. While I was drawing, I might have drawn it like this, two arrows. But still, my eyes will tend to go from top to bottom, left to right, like this. And this will be a continuation. Take care. Now, then we talk about something called the closure. It's a principle of closure. This principle of closure is basically it's a visual connection. There are some dots which virtually gets connected in our brain and in our eyes. So it's a kind of a coordination between our brains and eyes. Brain stimulates, eyes fix it, and both of them, they put together and close it, seal it off. And that happens to be the closure, which means something which is not there, but still your brain will tend to close it, because as a human eye, as a human brain, we want to see things as simple as possible. As simple as possible. We always, why does it happen? We always try to take a chota sa park hai, even if there is a very small distance, but still we will try to go across the park to take the shortest shortcut, because we always want to see and adapt the simplest thing in the world, right? Similarly, the closure. Now what is happening? If I ask you, you will never see these four circles open mouth. You will see that this square is kept on top of four circles, right? However, there is no square. If you see, there is no square drawn, but still we consider this as a square. We see it as a square. And that is the law of closure, because we already closed it with our own eyes. We joined this line, we joined this line, we joined this line, and we joined this line. Though it is not there, but we did it. Right? Okay. Then the law of symmetry. We always try to go for something which is so-called the symmetrical, that attracts us, something which is similar. We always connect the similarities immediately, tuck, 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 like this, you know. It works like a you know, just a very strong receiving and throwing, receiving, throwing. It's like that, you know. So what is happening here? So there are a number of principles, as I told you, okay. Then there's one more principle which you get to see is this one. This is figure ground, you can call it as. So what is happening? There's something called the positive space, there's something called the negative space. So depending upon what we are taking it as a negative, suddenly the positive will jump up. If we take the positive, then the negative will jump up. So it all depends at one point of time what we are focusing at. And against that, the other ground, whether it's a foreground or the background, will jump up. So it's a relative analysis of the image. Okay? So these are few, I mean, there are more which goes into the color also. Then, you know, there are some other things also which get introduced into it, which goes up to the color calibration also in the Gestold. But that's quite the number of them. But these are the basics with which we actually go ahead. Okay. Now, okay, before getting into this, what I need to do, I need to have some, if I can get, let's go through a couple of videos. Maybe it will be better for us to understand. Okay. Okay, let's see this.
You can't see the video.
Q.
You'll have to stop sharing this and then share it again.
Acha, ek minute. Can you hear this? Sound no?
We can't see the video. अभी तक आपका स्क्रीन में दूसरा दिख रहा है हमें. We can see your Explorer.
Okay.
जब आप चूज करते हो ना शेयर में, तो वो वीडियो चला लो पहले, उसके बाद में शेयर इट एंड देन चूज दैट ऑप्शन ऑफ शेयरिंग
साउंड ऑन करना पड़ेगा.
एक मिनट. For example, can you see?
Find sounds and visual images. That's why it looks for familiar clues in your mental vision.
अभी आएगा. नहीं आ रहा है.
हाँ, वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है, सिर्फ साउंड आ रही है बहुत जोर शोर से.
यार ये क्या चक्कर है, ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है?
आपने वीडियो अलग स्क्रीन में ओपन करी हुई है?
नहीं, मैंने नहीं किया अभी तो, कुछ अभी तो ओपन ही नहीं किया.
अगर आपने वीडियो आप अलग स्क्रीन में ओपन करके फिर शेयर कर लो.
क्या बोल रहे हो, क्या करूं उसको?
तो अलग स्क्रीन में ओपन करके जब आप स्क्रीन शेयर करते हो तो उस स्क्रीन पे क्लिक करो ताकि वो आ जाएगा.
अच्छा.
और उसमें साउंड ऑन कर देना.
ओके, एक सेकेंड. हाँ, ओके, शेयर. अभी आ रहा है क्या? मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है आपको?
हाँ, अब आप प्ले करो उसको.
अभी आ रहा है? Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Hello?
yeah.
ठीक है, इसका मतलब सब कुछ आ रहा है अभी. Let's see this.
To become a good designer, you need to understand and use the power of psychology in visual perception. How does someone react to your design when sees it? How does his mind interpret it? Gestalt is a psychology movement that helps us understand and predict these interpretations. Our brain tries very hard to find sense in visual images. That's why it looks for familiar clues in your mental visual library. It sifts through millions of image impressions until it finds an explanation of what you see. You've got a very powerful computer there in your head. Back in 1920s, Gestalt psychologists Max Wertheimer, Wolfgang Kohler, and Kurt Koffka came to conclusion: the sum of the whole is greater than its parts. That means we see the whole picture before we see details. According to Gestalt psychology, there are 5 basic principles of visual perception: similarity, proximity, continuity, closure, figure and ground. According to the principle of similarity, we visually group similar elements. That would be the elements that share similar characteristics, like value, size, shape, texture, color, orientation. You see them as a group and separate them from other elements. Use this principle if you, for example, want to emphasize an element. Just make it different, and everyone will focus on it. When we see elements that are randomly spaced out, we see them as separate objects. Once they get closer, we see them as a group of friends. We visually group objects that are close. Elements that are closer together are seen as belonging together. You can emphasize an element just by spacing it away. We move our eyes from one object to another as we would follow a path. Well, until it's interrupted. Your eye naturally follows a line, a path, a group of shapes, or even a lack of. Your brain likes simplicity, so it always picks the smoothest paths, these two. Not those. You can emphasize an element by having other elements point to it, which makes sense. The principle of closure states that we visually finish incomplete shapes. That means we tend to see the whole shape even when part of the information is missing. If what we see only suggests an explanation, your eye will fill in the gaps. How many shapes do you see? Your first reaction, and a natural one, is probably 4. 3 black circles covered by a white triangle. Seeing these 4 shapes is the simplest interpretation of what you see. Not the 3 circles with cut-out slices. Our brain likes simple solutions. Our brain separates a foreground from a background on a flat surface. We see an object figure against its surrounding, ground. It is also called positive-negative space relationship. Same shapes can be seen as a foreground or a background. A color or a tonal value of an element have nothing to do with determining whether it's a figure or a ground. It's all in the context. You can create an interest in your design by working on negative space instead of the object itself, or even combining both. Science did not stay still since 1920s. Other principles of perception were identified. Here is just a couple. Simplicity. People intuitively prefer the simplest solutions possible. What shapes do you see here? 1 disc and 2 partial discs? or 3 overlapping disks. Your first impression was probably the 3 overlapping disks, because it's the simplest interpretation of what you see. Simplicity of the whole emphasizes the importance of details. Keep it simple to focus on what really matters. Elegant design requires minimum number of steps you take to convey a message. A great deal may be happening on the page, but very few graphics. In fact, adding more elements without understanding their effect can often make the message confusing. So, don't overdo your designs. Less is more. Familiarity. It causes a shape to stand out from its surroundings. We tend to see familiar objects first. In this display of random shapes and lines, which element caught your eye first? I bet it was the A. As we focus on it, it becomes a figure, while the rest of the elements become background. Similarity, proximity, continuity, closure, figure and ground. When Gestalt principles are ignored, design tends to look unprofessional and sends confusing messages. We don't want that, do we? So bring the power of psychology to your design work.
So it was something to be looked into nicely and understandable. So what we do, we consciously or subconsciously, we tend to see the elements across or in our surrounding. Okay, but what goes behind, we hardly notice. Okay. So it's the simple message across this, I mean, this entire Gestalt theory is that we try to see things in a simplistic manner as possible, as much as possible. It's like that. So which means your brain and the eye and the entire sensitivity goes in the simplest manner, which means like you never see 2 lines crossing like this. It's a one flow, simplest flow. Okay. So there are some more got added. Okay, this like the simplicity is one more which got added in the Gestalt law. Okay, and then color theory is another one which got added into it. So it is more and more which is getting added. But 5 or 4 to 6, 5 approximate 5 to 6 are the one which are like the dominant one. So basis on that, what I was wondering if we can do one exercise, and we should be doing that. Okay, which means this exercise. So we are having 5 squares. Okay. So in the 5 squares, what we will be doing, we are having our own names. Okay. Name ke we are having some alphabets. Okay. And alphabets ko we can combine in such a way that it gives the continuity, proximity, closure, symmetry, and figure ground. Now, कल रात को बनाया मैंने बहुत सोच रहा था
काफी लेट बनाया लगता है
नहीं हाँ exactly I was just thinking what to make because I was not getting what to be done, you know. First I was thinking like something which from the nature they can pick up, click the photograph, and these 5 they see, you know. But then I realized नहीं यार वो इसमें मजा नहीं आएगा, you know. There is something.
इसमें ना राज एक आपने शुरू में बात कही थी UX and UI.
हाँ.
How many of our teachers are actually aware UX UI होता क्या है?
Okay.
थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में बात कर लें.
ठीक है. So anyway, I will be talking about that also. ठीक है. UX and UI is basically user experience design. Okay. UX, user experience. Okay. UI is user interaction. Okay. So what is the UX UI which we talk about? It's basically anything and everything what we do. Okay. There's a वो कैसे react करेगा वो चीज. Okay. The reaction. Okay. You are doing something, उसका क्या reaction है from the user, and that's what you need to understand. उसको refine करना पड़ता है, उसको synthesize करना पड़ता है. It's a complete design process. Exactly the same thing it is coming here, but only the product which you do physically. Okay, a physical product which comes. Okay, Sunanda, क्या बात है? हमारे साथ भी share करो ये वाला joke. है? Anyways.
So my mother was calling, so that I was just telling her, wait.
Just kidding. So basically what happens in the product design, what we do in the product design, we are having some information. Okay, we are having some research part, and then we put them together, bunch them together, we synthesize them. Okay, we analyze them, and then it goes for the production. I mean, we do the ideation. Based on the ideation, we do the iteration. On the iteration, then again we get back. So it's a complete cyclic process, you know, until we get the final product, foolproof, launched in the market. Okay, and that happens with the user research only. It's with the user research and the feedback. Okay, so exactly the same thing is here in the UX and UI. A product which you get out here is the virtual product. It's a 2D product. It is on the flat screen, or flat screen can be your mobile, can be your desktop, can be your laptop. So what you are doing, it's a system driven. It's a system which you are putting it in the shape of a wireframe, and then you are navigating through. Today, the entire world is doing the banking system. But what is it? It means someone has, it's a product. The banking system, that particular site which you see, that you click here, it goes to, leads to that particular gateway. You click here, it leads to that particular page. If you come back, then instead of going from 10 pages, it straight goes to the home. You know, so all these things are there. So someone has actually put a brain onto it. So there was a domain specialist, there was a navigational architect, there was the user interface designer, and then after that there's a team of developers. After that there was a bandwidth people that support systems. Okay, and these people, they came to, it was a complete team which put together and made a product. And that entire product was based on two things: user experience, user interaction. Taken it? So that's what it is.
Just to simplify, user interaction is when you want somebody to do something. ठीक है, आप अपना phone जब Facebook पे आप जाते हो first time, you don't know where do I write, what do I do. So there are some visual cues which tell you ये box है, इसमें आप लिख सकते हो, ये button है जिसको आप press कर सकते हो. ठीक है, so that is called a visual. It's an interaction where the user and the machine are interacting at a place. जहाँ पे जो जिसने डिजाइनर ने जो बनाया है, he is wanting you to do something in a specific manner, and he doesn't come to your house and tell you पहले यहाँ press करो, पहले वहाँ press करो. It has to be intuitive. It has to happen with your basic understanding of how things work. So अगर एक बटन है जो हम normal life में देखते हैं कि हम बटन दबाते हैं कुछ होता है, so normally you have buttons on your websites. You press a button, something happens. ठीक है, so that is a user interaction, where you interact with the website, and your experience is how good or bad was the whole thing.
So if I take it a little forward, what happens there, the button you must have seen, the moment it rolls over, there's one hand which comes. You know that if you roll over, if you roll over your mouse, your cursor, so suddenly there's one hand appears. So that hand tends to tell you that you need to click on this. It's a hyperlink. It's some kind of a link which is underneath. And that link underneath is having, on top of it, you are having a button. And button will be in the form of like 3D. Are you getting the point? It is not just flat. It has got some kind of dimensionality. So the moment you click onto that, you will see that button blinks like this. Click. Like this guy, or sometimes you get this kind of a noise as well. Click, click. Why this click? Because when you put a light button on, you get a click. That click is actually a feedback to a user that yes, this button has been clicked, this button has been pressed. Getting the point? So what is happening? That's again intuitive. It's so many things. With the intuition, you will say, okay, fine. Button would be The moment I go inside, towards the right side should be my button. It's intuition. But intuition ke saath, the moment you click it, you press it, you get a sound, click. That is the feedback to the user. So that's what it is all about. So the design principles, Gestalt, all these are correlated with the UX, any graphic design or any design matter of fact. But graphic design is mostly because it is coming in front of you in the two-dimensional surface, you know. So that's what. So what I was trying to tell you, like we can have one exercise. Okay, are kahan gaya bhai? Yeah, it's here. Okay. So let's try to understand what this exercise is all about first. Okay. So we will be having like continuity ka. Use the alphabet of your name and arrange with the Gestalt theory. So एक continuity हो सकता है, proximity हो सकता है, closure है, symmetry है, figure ground है. Now you can use as many or as less alphabet to communicate the same. Not necessarily if Swarnima has got there's so many letters, no need, alphabets, no need. She might take only SWR probably. That's it. Good enough for her to communicate if she can do the continuity, law of continuity in the same. Similarly, maybe Misha would like to say MISHA, and how do I arrange that my proximity law comes into it? Maybe closure ke liye then Tajwar says that okay, T is good enough for me to show the closure. That's good enough. Okay. So similarly, if the there is one more thing. Use the ink filling and the white backdrop in the artwork. You use the black and white treatment. So whatever you are doing, it needs to be having the black and white treatment. Sorry, it was not shared. Now you can see my screen. Hello, can you see all you people? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
okay. So I was saying that there are 5 boxes which you will be taking, okay? And continuity, proximity, closure, symmetry, and figure ground. So these are 5 laws which you need to depict in each box. Continuity wala ek mein jayega. How will you do that? You have your own alphabets, your name ka alphabet hai, theek hai? आप उसको यूज करना चाहते हैं कंटिन्यूटी में, आप उसको तिरछा कीजिए, टेढ़ा कीजिए, you can stretch it, you can elongate it, whichever way you want, you know, you can have one next to another one, whichever way you want, okay? So you use your name of your alphabets of your name, okay? So like if you, and you can use proximity, okay? Not necessarily that you have to use all the alphabet of your name. If you think कि मेरा 2 alphabet से मेरा काम चल जाता है, good enough. Like closure में suppose you say ताजवर की अगर हम बात करेंगे closure में, so T, if she can communicate with the T itself, okay, good enough, that's okay. But take your name, use as many alphabets of your name or as less alphabets as you want to, okay? Once you do that, then you need to do the black and white. It's a black and white treatment which you need to do in order to show that this is a proximity, closure, symmetry, whatever. Use the ink and the white backdrop in the artwork. Ink matlab filling, not that you apna black wali pencil se dark kar diya. Please don't do that. Make the complete flat application of the black. Okay? All of them are quiet now. Huh?
बहुत खतरनाक सी असाइनमेंट लग रही सबको.
No, it's not खतरनाक है. अरे.
But it's nice. You need to think about it a little bit, and you should be able to work it out.
अरे मैं देख क्यों नहीं पा रहा हूँ किसी को?
आप स्क्रीन शेयरिंग बंद करोगे तो दिखेगा.
बंद करो. But ऐसे तो नहीं है.
हाँ, या आपने फुल स्क्रीन किया होगा इसलिए नहीं.
अच्छा, could be the reason है full screen.
फुल स्क्रीन हो जाता है कई बार, तो डबल क्लिक करना.
अच्छा. So कुछ समझ में आ रहा है इसका क्या मीनिंग हो सकता है? What possibly could be the? Can someone sketch it and give it to me? Like something, anything, जो भी दिमाग में आ रहा है कुछ. है तो इंटरेस्टिंग. बहुत टाइम लगा मेरे को इसको सोचने में कैसे करूं because so many things were coming in my head. Then I thought this is the only one. Probably this will work. This really will work. You can sketch it out. थोड़ा देखिए तो उसे क्या करते हैं आप.
Sir, I tried closure.
करो एक सेकंड रुको. Let's see. हाँ, please show me. हाँ. Yes. हाँ, ऐसा भी है. I tried something called the continuity. Kavita was the inspiration for me. ठीक है, so on this I tried, I don't know, is something like that we can always do. It's a law of continuity. ठीक है ना? So you can make a little more complex than this if you want to, especially in the proximity and all. So what happens, you can use as many as you want. Instead of having me one letter getting it cut into in between, rather you can have a series of letters which are into the continuation. So there are so many ways with which you can depict your law of continuity or just all laws. So there are 5 of them only which I'm giving you, okay, which are like most predominant one. And basis on that, you can do this exercise, which is a nice exercise, and it will definitely stimulate your brain to work with your eyes and hand coordination. Aarti ma'am, Aarti Gupta ma'am, you are very quiet today.
कुछ गड़बड़ है आज सब.
हाँ, मुझे लग रहा है आप थोड़ा सा परेशान है आज क्योंकि
लैपटॉप नहीं चल रहा है. आई एम ऑन माय टैब.
Okay. ठीक है. Swarnima, is this clear or something needs to be understood? Is it clear?
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, please.
Sir, we have to do this assignment on like a handwork, or we can do it on a computer also, like when we are doing this proximity and similarity and all that stuff. So it has to be hand drawn, or we can do it on a computer.
How do you want this to happen? Which one are you more comfortable with?
Sir, both the ways.
हाँ तो ठीक है, whichever way is comfortable with you. I don't have any
Okay.
issue as long as you can communicate properly. ठीक है?
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you, sir.
ठीक है? Okay. Misha is more comfortable with hands, right? Good. ठीक है. Ipshita, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. It looked very while I was just giving you the example and I was telling you this is the exercise. Everyone was quiet. Now everyone seemed to be excited. कि नहीं हो सकता है, possible तो है. Right? ताजवर क्या बोलते हो?
यस सर, हो सकता है, बिल्कुल हो सकता है. आपने करके बता दिया तो अब हो सकता है.
Great, fantastic. ठीक है. ठीक है तो बढ़िया. It's a simple exercise and if you want you can have, I've given you 5 of them. You can take another 5. You can make 10 of them. That is not an issue. ठीक है. I don't mind at all. 5 तो कम से कम चाहिए. 10 होगा तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. ठीक है.
सर पर डिजाइन 1 और पर पैटर्न 2.
एक मर्जी मैं कह रहा हूँ 5 तो आप कर ही दो एक एक करके.
Okay.
That is for simplest जो मैं कह सकता हूँ. But I would be really happy to see if you can have at least 2 options given, you know, of each these laws which I talked about. ठीक है ना?
Okay, sir.
So one, see, usually when you put the very first one, that is to understand
Right.
how it is going to come up.
Actually.
The second one will be where you add little more complexity and you generate the interest and you see what element of interest can be generated out of it. So can I add this? Can I add that? Then you do some kind of a complexity, you know, into it.
Right.
ठीक है ना?
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. Okay, let's see one more small video. Okay, so इसमें और थोड़ा सा मजा आएगा. Okay, just give me a sec. Huh? अभी मेरा स्क्रीन दिख रहा है क्या सबको?
Yeah, we can see it.
It is basically the psychological ability of our brain.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
To recognize complex patterns, shapes, and colors. So quickly, let's learn some basics about these principles. But before we continue, there is a small announcement for all the design aspirants. Here we will upload our 5 online notes for you. Go through all the principles one by one with examples. Let's start with our first principle, figure and ground. अब फिगर एंड ग्राउंड प्रिंसिपल बेसिकली ये बोलता है कि एक टाइम पर आप किसी भी फिगर में या तो उसके फोरग्राउंड को देख सकते हो या तो उसके बैकग्राउंड को देख सकते हो. अगर मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल से समझाऊं तो वी कैन इंस्टेंटली नोटिस 2 डिफरेंट एनिमल्स इन दिस पिक्चर, अ क्रो इन ब्लैक एंड अ पोलर बियर इन द व्हाइट. Same way in this figure, we can see either a map of Africa or a child and a lady. And this phenomenon is used a lot in graphic design and logo design. Here I am showing you only 2 examples, but there can be many more examples to explore and learn. This is Pittsburgh Zoo logo. Observe the figure and ground principle used. Similarly, look at the FedEx logo. Can you see that they have used a figure and ground relationship to make an arrow in the background using E and X, which basically signifies their company's delivery service? Moving ahead, before we proceed, let's take a look at one of the previous year question. This one question was asked in both USEED and SEED in 2018. It is asking about the concept illustrated in the image. and it is an MSQ type question, so more than one option will be correct. And because we have read about figure and ground principle just now, we can easily recognize that here in case of birds shown here. But here, apart from figure and ground, tessellation is also happening, that is filling the space with using similar pattern. And we will discuss about tessellation in future videos, but the point I'm trying to make here is कि questions अगर आप देखोगे तो बहुत easy आते हैं. अगर एक बार आपको principle पता है किसी भी चीज़ के तो आप question को answer कर सकते हो. Next principle is similarity. The principle of similarity states that when things appear to be similar to each other, we group them together, and we also tend to think they have similar function. Here we have NBC logo. और इसमें अगर हम देखें जो बैकग्राउंड में डिफरेंट कलर के जो शेप्स हैं, दीज आर परसीव्ड बाय अस एज अ पार्ट ऑफ द सेम ग्रुप, दैट इज फेदर कोट ऑफ द पीकॉक. एंड हियर वी हैव अ इमेज in which the neck of the eagle appears to be similar as those cones around it, since both have the same similar shape. And same principle is applied in color, size and texture, और उसके बहुत सारे different examples हो सकते हैं. Next we have closure. According to this principle, when we look at a complex arrangement of visual element, we tend to look for a single recognizable pattern. Here in this figure, we see that we have ample amount of information in the form of these spherical shapes. Now our mind fills in the missing part and we could clearly see the cube. This same law is used in the logos of WWF, USA Networks and etc. Moving ahead, proximity. The principle of proximity states that things that are close together appear to be more related than things that are spaced further apart. यानी कि जो जितने गैप में है वो अलग लगेंगे और जो साथ में है वो लगेंगे एक साथ ही एक ही फंक्शन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. इन द गिवन फिगर ए द ग्रुप्स आर सेपरेटेड बाय कलर, बट इन द फिगर बी प्रॉक्सिमिटी हैज ओवरपावर्ड द कलर. अब प्रॉक्सिमिटी डिज़ाइन में सिर्फ कलर ही नहीं, शेप, टेक्सचर, पैटर्न, डिज़ाइन से रिलेटेड हर फैक्टर्स को ओवरपावर कर लेती है. और इसको हम लोग हर रोज़ अपनी लाइफ में देखते हैं मगर शायद नज़रअंदाज कर देते हैं. And one of the very interesting example is Google search results. As shown here, we can see that how the proximity of text with image separates it from others and makes it a single entity. तो सेम गूगल सर्च में अगर इमेज और टेक्स्ट में डिफरेंस होता बहुत ज़्यादा तो ये आपको रिजल्ट दिखने में कोहेरेंट नहीं लगता और ये आपको सेम एंटिटी नहीं लगती. Hopefully you have understood about proximity. Moving ahead, continuity. Now the principle of continuity states that जब भी हम किसी एलिमेंट को लाइन या कर्व में देखते हैं तो हमारा ब्रेन उसको ज़्यादा आसानी से रिलेट कर पाता है, उसे परसीव कर पाता है कंपेयर टू अगर वो लाइन या कर्व में ना हो. For example, in the image on the left, we see that the black dots in the curve line are more related to red dots on the same curve. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे कर्व पूरा हो रहा है, रादर देन अगर उसको हम देखें कि सेम कलर से अगर हम उसको रिलेट करने की कोशिश करें, वो यहाँ पे नहीं हो पाता इतनी आसानी से. दैट्स बिकॉज आवर आईज नेचुरली फॉलो अ लाइन ऑफ कर्व, मेकिंग कंटिन्यूएशन अ स्ट्रॉन्गर सिग्नल ऑफ रिलेटेडनेस देन एनी सिमिलरिटी ऑफ कलर. और इसको हम समझ सकते हैं सन माइक्रोसिस्टम्स के लोगो के एग्जांपल से. हियर द लोगो कंसिस्ट ओनली द अल्फाबेट U. हाउएवर, व्हेन वी परसीव देम टुगेदर, इट लुक्स लाइक दे आर फॉर्मिंग द वर्ड सन all over the four sides of the quadrilateral. So this was continuity. Similarly, in this CNN logo, we can see that our eyes feel the continuity in the white strip along the alphabets. Moving ahead, symmetry and order. This is a very common principle. This principle states that your brain will perceive ambiguous shapes in as simple a manner as possible. That means whenever our brain come across complicated shape, it will break it down into basic geometrical shapes. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हम ओलंपिक लोगो के इस मोनोक्रोमैटिक वर्जन को देखें तो इट इज सीन एज अ सीरीज ऑफ ओवरलैपिंग सर्कल्स रादर देन कलेक्शन ऑफ कर्व्ड लाइंस. सेम वे, इफ आई आस्क्ड यू अबाउट द इमेज ऑन द स्क्रीन, यू विल से दैट इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल, सर्कल एंड ट्राइंगल, even when the outlines of each of these figures are incomplete, because these are the simpler shapes for your brain to recognize than the overall image. And that's it for Gestalt principles. These are very important and at the same time very interesting topic to study. Every time you read about it and you will learn something new. So we'll come back in future with more such topics. Until then, keep preparing and keep enjoying.
So how was it? Good?
It was good. Nice.
Interesting है ना, हम सब देखते हैं, डेली हम देखते रहते हैं इसको. Just give me a second. So basically what we do, we always see a lot of images and surroundings, but वो हमें ध्यान नहीं रहता. But when we see this, अभी इससे हमारा एक perception change होता है, ठीक है ना. स्पेशली द लोगों के अंदर हम कैसे बात कर रहे होते हैं, लोगों में खासकर वो दैट सन वाला सन फार्मा वाला जो था वो कितना बढ़िया था वाला, राइट. So it's just you, but the way it was put together, it was looking like all four sides that sun is written, right. FedEx wala again, foreground and the background, how it has been used. So similarly, there are a number of things, which we see. In fact, if you see the nature, the trees also, sometimes you get to see the tree is these leaves, they like tend to go in the right direction. It's like a spiral kind of a thing it is making. So it is what? It is not even, it is just, there's a break, there is nothing in between, but our eyes will tend to make it as a one complete circle or one complete entity, because that's the law of continuity which we keep on doing. And there is one more thing which is like quite an interesting, which it said, I mean, it was said that if there are so many dots, okay, and there are two group of dots, they were like separated with a circle, still same shape, like two group of circles which were separated with the color, still what was there, our eyes were still tend to look at the continuity. So that was more stronger than the proximity. Did you notice that? That was very interesting observation, that our eyes were still tend to go in the curve or in the straight line rather than having straight curve and then going back, though these two are two color, okay. It was in the same similarity. So similarity से ऊपर हमारा क्या था? Continuity वाला. So you can have a lot of debates, a lot of questions, a lot of trial, testing, so many things. But all these law, they somewhere or the other, they exist all the time. And that's what we use it in our graphic design. ठीक है? तो आप इसको करेंगे, and I'm sure you will be getting into the composition as well. Composition is also one of the way you will be leading towards this exercise. Okay, chaliye, so let's do one thing. We immediately get on to the feedback session of your last exercise. Let's see how it has been done. Where's Jasmine?
Yeah, I'm here.
I can't see you on the.
मेरा आज कुछ नेट प्रॉब्लमैटिक चल रहा है, सो मैंने वीडियो ऑफ किया हुआ.
अच्छा, ओके. तो आप बताइए फिर कैसे स्टार्ट करें.
They sent in their links WhatsApp पे हैं. If you want to just go through them from there.
WhatsApp पे है. एक सेकंड. This is the one, correct. Okay, so Swarnima, the very first one. Take care, Swarnima.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So my previous was also pending.
So this one you did it. You painted this one.
Yes, sir. Right side.
Beautifully done, yeah. Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Very
I
nice.
tried the spray thing. That was the most difficult part, and the green.
Yeah, you are quite close. I mean, ठीक है. थोड़ा सा ठीक है. I think इतना तो चलेगा यार. ठीक है. Tint, tone and shade. ठीक है. How did you get this color?
Sir, which one? I'm not able to see.
Can you see my cursor now? It's moving. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
In the screen, where the yellow one is, the first strip is of from yellow, absolute yellow, which is a hue. Okay, that absolute color, yellow. It is
Yes,
going
sir.
to the white.
White.
That's what you are trying to say, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then in the second one, you are saying this is a gray, right? In the end, correct?
Yes, sir.
How did you get this gray?
After mixing,
Mixing of what?
I was mixing gray only, darker. That was the lightest shade, more of gray into yellow.
No. I am saying, see, there are three colors which we are adding in your main or the prime color. The first one, the prime color happens to be the yellow.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Now we are using white, we are using gray, and we are mixing the black. Three color we are mixing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So very first one happens to be the yellow. Okay. Sorry. Very first one happens to be the yellow where you are having white.
Yes.
And second one is gray. I'm saying that gray. What is the percentage of gray? Like, how did you get onto this gray? What is this gray? Is it 30% gray or what?
That was more. The percentage was naturally more because it was like, after adding more gray into it, I had the last portion which was left. That was gray actually. When
what I was wondering, like, I don't know what I was thinking. Like, probably this gray, the one which you have here. Okay, this gray, this particular. Can you see my cursor?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So probably this was supposed to be 50% is white and 50% black. When you do that, that becomes your absolute gray. Okay. And then this taking it now as one color, 50%. So you need to take it in a chunk, a little bit. Jada. So now that is an absolute color of yours. You don't have to touch white or black again. That's it. This is the one which you have done it as a one color. Now this color will get added in the yellow. Then it will go ahead. So that's what I was looking at. That's what I was thinking. So according to me, this gray is the 50% of white and 50% of black put together becomes the gray.
Yeah.
That's what my idea is. I don't know. Or is it the same? Or if you are saying that this my 40%, 30% is the gray, that's also, I mean, it's okay. You can tell me that.
Add addition of gray color. So whatever I got the last at the end, that was on.
Okay.
I don't know why this is not seen.
Actually, there is one more thing. If you see, there's a strong jump which is coming from this white. Suddenly there's a jump.
This is little.
Suddenly there is a jump. Again, same thing is going in the blue also. Immediately there is a jump. So these two are looking almost the same.
That's actually because of the photo also maybe a little difference.
I mean, what I'm thinking, like
because of the photo.
Like, these two are looking same. These two are almost looking same. These two are looking absolutely same. More or less, these are also same. So what is happening? There is like all these four of them are looking same. Here, can you see my cursor?
Not see. So because of the photo maybe.
If that is the case, but what I'm trying to say is I'm just giving you my feedback. If it is not done like that, that's great. But these are the things to be looked at because that's where the problem usually happens.
I understand.
Okay. And the application of the
that was a little patch. I don't know which color is coming here at the end. Why this patch is seen here?
Chalo, anyways. But did you notice one thing while you were doing all this tint, tone and shade, you understood what color you should be taking with what amount of white so that you get similar kind of a color which is there in this painting.
Yes, sir.
So it must have helped you out, I'm sure.
Yes, sir. Of course, sir. It was quite helpful, and it was interesting also to know the colors. After so many days, I was doing this.
Correct.
After
Now,
you
if
I did actually.
Correct. Now, if I shut my eyes half, okay, and if I see or this exercise, so what is happening that this portion, which was supposed to be more looking darker, it is not looking darker. You know, it should have been a little darker.
The top
Because,
one.
yeah, this top portion, okay. So because of that, thoda sa isko dark karna chahiye tha, you know. This is looking very bright as compared to this one. Because see, yellow you have put as an absolute yellow, but it is not the absolute yellow. There is always a white in the entire yellow. Every yellow has got a little bit of white.
Little white.
Right? So because of that, it is subdued. But here it is like jumping up because of its brightness. Okay. But anyway, good effort. Not that there is something. It's a good effort. Okay.
Thanks.
Axle
So
fabric.
I just thought
Okay.
a task for a student, for a first foundation student. So we can give actual fabric and take the colors from them, like you pick the colors from that, and we can ask them to paint that in poster color from the fabric. As we give for the texture development, so instead of giving texture, we can ask to pick the colors at first, so
Okay.
that we know the colors.
Okay, fine.
This is it.
Okay, now this is good exercise, but do you think that there can be a continuation of this exercise further? I don't know. I'm just wondering. Maybe
Further they can have, like, you know, more of print development kind of thing. Where in fashion, actually, I'm talking about print because I'm talking about fashion actually. So that they can do print development.
I really don't understand you people. मैं पहले भी आप लोगों को समझाया please. Why don't you get out of this one thing? Okay, just a minute. Hold on. ये बहुत परेशान होता है उससे. Wait a minute. Huh? Okay. So first of all, I don't know why you people can't get out of your this thing that you are not in the discipline right now.
So sorry sir for that.
It tends to lead you there. कोई source of inspiration लगा रहा होता है, कोई कुछ का, अरे भाई नहीं, it's a foundation. It's that अरे बच्चे को पैदा तो होने दो अभी यार, उसको अभी से उसको जान ले लोगे क्या उस बच्चे की, हाँ? अभी उसको मत करो, अभी see basically उसको let him try to play or try to learn about the color itself first. ठीक है ना?
So if we could give any picture from, like, they can take any picture, any image, and we can paint the colors. That will be more beneficial.
No, the image which you have given, it's absolutely fine. That fabric is also fine. I don't have any issue. Fabric is also fine as long as that student is treating this as a inspiring source, okay, or as a source which needs to be copied in terms of the color. Okay, so that is just a source. It is not the discipline. It is just a source. That's
But as soon as we mention fabric, then people consider it fabric.
No.
So we can like, simplify it, generalize any picture.
Just now you had said one word, then take it to the pattern making and all. You know that you said use some pattern and all, something surface design or something. Yeah, correct.
Print
So
development or texture.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. So that is not to be used. Surface development or print development, that you can cut it down. You can cut it down here itself. That's what I was trying to tell you. So in that case, what you can do, maybe you can take a little ahead by saying, what if you are having this piece of fabric or the cloth, okay? So the color which you see, if it is a blue, which is a subdued blue, suppose. So can you make it as an absolute blue? Can you make it as an absolute yellow? Even if it is not there, but can you make it as an absolute? Number one. Okay. Now the second exercise, you can say as it is the way it is, just draw in exactly the same. Secondly, by using tint, tone or shade, whichever way, all these three put together, can you bring as close as possible to this what is there in the fabric? So first, what they are learning about what the color is, number one, the prime color, the absolute color. And second, they are learning about the mixing of the color with the white and the black and the gray.
Yes.
So that's how this thing can be carried forward, so that at least they get a hands-on experience on the same. Okay?
Yes.
So can I add something? Can I add something?
हाँ please कविता.
सर इसी एक्सरसाइज में एक उनको ये कहा जा सकता है कि सपोज अभी मैम के एग्जांपल में 4 कलर्स थे, सो जो कलर कम यूज हुआ था या ज्यादा यूज हुआ था, यू हैव टू यूज ओनली दोस 4 कलर्स, बट यू हैव टू इंटरचेंज द कलर्स.
You have to use those 4 colors and
but you have to interchange the colors. जहाँ पे white था, green था, उसको interchange. कलर यही कलर कॉम्बिनेशन यही रखना है, but you have to change the color.
प्लेसमेंट्स चेंज करने की बात.
ठीक है उससे मतलब हम क्या देखें, मतलब क्या रिजल्ट हमें मिलेगा उससे? That's what I'm just trying to understand.
एक रिजल्ट ये मिल सकता है कि अगर आपने व्हाइट को सपोज इट्स एन एग्जांपल कि अगर व्हाइट कहीं कम यूज हुआ हुआ है, ग्रीन कहीं ज्यादा यूज हुआ हुआ है, तो उसका इम्पैक्ट आपके आईज पे साइकोलॉजिकली कुछ और पड़ रहा है. लेकिन अगर हमने रिवर्स कर दिया है तो साइकोलॉजिकली उसका इम्पैक्ट चाहे सेम कलर कॉम्बिनेशन है लेकिन वो एकदम चेंज हो जाएगा.
Maybe, yeah, of course हो सकता है बिल्कुल. या इसमें 2-3 चीजें और भी कर सकते हैं. I'm just wondering, अगर आप बोलो कि आप इसी वाली पूरी इमेज को आप you just forget it, now it is a color one, छोड़ दो कि ये कलर नहीं है suppose, ठीक है, and we say that it is a black and white image now, suppose absolute black and absolute white, तब कैसा दिखता है? ये दिखता है. So you will see something negative, something positive, that kind of an image.
हाँ.
Okay, so this is also one of the exercise which can be taken forward in terms of understanding, you know, the foreground and the background. Okay, maybe let's see, but we'll have to first test ourselves out. Okay,
we'll have to do that.
Chalo, anyways, next someone. How do I go back?
Just click on top. ऊपर से आप टैब चेंज कर लो ना.
Okay, so there's Aarti. Okay. Aarti?
Yes, sir.
क्या लग रहा है इसमें?
So फिर से वो ऑयल वाला पैचेस है which I can't really couldn't help it. I don't know, it's in the color, but I managed, like I tried my best to make it a little less patchier by adding more of a color and less of a water, but the brush strokes are still visible, so that is the main thing. And okay, the color what you're talking about, sir, there is a actually difference in the paper, but it's not visible on the scanning and the camera pic, but there is a little difference, the colors what you are saying. Yeah, okay, those 2 colors, yeah, I can see the jump. Yep, sir.
ठीक है ना, तो ये these are the things which need to be understood. Okay.
Dark हो गया है according to the earlier shade. Yes.
See, सबसे पहले तो मेरे को ये बताओ तीनों अलग अलग क्यों दिख रहे हैं? All these 3 are prime color, तो ये तीनों की एक तो पूरा पैच एक हो जाना चाहिए. It should be absolutely one patch.
Yeah,
I should not be even seeing 3 different blocks.
Agreed, sir.
है ना, तो कुछ है यहाँ पे issue.
Yep, sir. Yep.
मैंने इसमें सॉल्ट डाली है.
बाप रे, ये इसको देखो, ये यहाँ से तो भयानक जंप है, तबाही मच गई यहाँ तो. All of them are same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 of them are same.
Okay, so there is a slight difference in the actual, but यहाँ पे actually मतलब थोड़ा same दिख रहा है. वो jump है थोड़ा सा, which I will agree.
Jump है.
Shade, there is a jump. Yeah.
ठीक है. तो कुछ फर्क पड़ा इसको करने से? I'm sure you must have done it earlier also, but अभी करने से थोड़ा सा फर्क पड़ा?
Yes, I can recall it, and I am getting little lazier to do this. I understand, so I should go on doing this before giving it to the students. So I should work more. If I can't do it in that patience level, then the students will be having difficulties. So I have to understand that patience are very important while doing this. That is the main thing.
ठीक है, good. करो इसको. Sarika Dikshit. Sarika madam, ये क्या हो गया? Sarika madam, what has happened here? Hello.
Cursor is not seen.
I can't hear you what you're saying.
I think she's left.
Hello, sir.
Not here. Is she?
Hello. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Aja, hai.
Arey, who's fighting in the background?
Hello.
Yep. Hey, baap re, who's fighting in the background? Sarika ma'am, can you just please share your views? What's happening here?
Sir, where not your cursor is not able to.
Tell me.
Yeah.
First of all, if it is a white,
Yes.
and if it is an absolute black, which is not as an absolute black, number one, okay. So this is like jump, मतलब बहुत ही भयानक jump है. ठीक है, jump मतलब भयानक jump है बिल्कुल, immediate jump है. Then all these, I don't know whether it's in the photograph or it is being shown like this. I don't have any clue whether it's been made like that.
Photograph.
Okay.
I have an actual image. Sir, can I show direct?
You can show me directly. Let me just see it, and please speak a bit louder because you barely are audible. You know.
Hello. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. आप बताइए. Next. Okay. So anyway, let me do one thing. Aarti, Sarika, Kavita. Let's go to Kavita first. Okay. Kavita, request access.
सर मैंने दिया है.
मेरे पास तो नहीं है. What do you want? You want me to go to my mail or what?
And Kavita can change the access by that point of time.
ठीक है, मैं एमी को चेक करता हूँ.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, Amy.
So the colors are not looking exactly the same. I clicked 2 photos, one scanned in one camera. Still, it's not looking what was actually made. If you want, I'll show you the original.
What is happening? You are having 4 of them, or what? Like, so 4 of them, which you have 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, for yellow, what I did in yellow, I tried from yellow to white, and then I also tried from white to yellow. So the second one, that the second shade is from white to yellow. So I tried both. So that's why there is a difference. And in yellow, you can see there's a little separation because I cut the gray part and black part alag se, and then I stuck it together.
Okay. Okay. All are becoming same.
So individually, you can see in the next slide, because here it's looking same. So individually, you can see the zoomed in version. And it's actually white, the last one in the gray scale, but in the photo it's looking gray. For all.
That's what.
It's white.
That's what I was wondering.
Yeah, it's white.
Good. So, how was the experience?
It was very nice. I tried it after a long time, so I enjoyed it. Only I was very frustrated with red because I was not getting the correct color in red. So red, I tried almost 4 times. The red, the black one, And for gray, what I did, because I was not getting the exact color in gray, I started from gray to red. So then at least I got different shades. Here it's looking like a gray patch, but there is difference. So that was much better when I started with gray.
I don't know what I mean, you know, how I used to do, like how I did, in fact, you know, that is over the period, is firstly, this is absolute red, okay?
Yeah.
It's absolute red. This is absolute white, making sure that your brush is washed.
Yes, I
completely
did.
washed, not a single, I mean, you know, micron of the color should be there. It's like that, you know, number one. Then you take the 50%, whatever your brush allows you to take, 50% of it, okay, you take it, and red and the white both together, put together, and then you do the centermost, which is 6th number, okay? So one is absolutely red, which has been done, one absolutely white, which has been done, and the center one would be the 50% red and 50% white. Okay, so isse kya hota hai, while doing that, that's my understanding, that what happens now, you know your benchmark is here. So you have to, it's smaller now. You understand? Now you have got lesser steps to cover this side and lesser steps to cover this side. So the least, then you put this as a center, white has become your center, then this and this white both will be coming in the center out here. Then you can easily control this, and you can easily control this as compared to going from 1, 2, 3 like this. I would suggest, I mean, that's my perception, is maybe I'm wrong or right, I don't know, but I could get it a little better as compared to my linear progression. I immediately got onto the middle, and then I went towards left and went towards right, both sides.
Yeah, for value scale, actually we do that for the students. We tell them to take the main color in the center and then go on both the sides for towards white and towards black. So we could have also done that over here.
So that's how I mean, I did it, and I think that worked quite well. So ये था एक तरीका, but that's okay. I think you are there. करो sharpness लेके आओ थोड़ा बहुत. ठीक है, application में ठीक है जी.
And so one exercise that I used to give students for tints and shades. I have not given anything for tones this year. I'll also give for tones. I'll just screen share. It's one of the students' submission which is there. So I can just show you that. If you can stop screen share.
Please.
Yeah. So wait, I'll just turn my phone. Yeah. So this one is again showing combination of colors with tints and shades. So this one is using polychromatic colors, like more colors. And then this one is using only 2 colors. And this one is trichromatic using 3 colors. And this one is monochromatic. So we can give something like this. And this one is using only black and white. So we have not added tones in this one. But next time I'll add gray tones also.
Okay, just go back. Just slide back. This one.
Yeah.
Can you do me a favor? Yeah. Can you just put it upside down? No, upside down. Can you put this upside down? This image.
How? I don't know.
Rotate वाले में ना हो सकता है, possible है?
ऐसे होगा, yeah.
हाँ, नहीं ऐसे नहीं होगा इसको. वो तो सीधा आ गया ना, ये मोनोक्रोमेटिक ये नीचे लिखा हुआ आ जाएगा उल्टा.
I'll just see.
होगा नहीं वो, because वो उसको automatically सीधा कर देता है.
अच्छा, okay. नहीं हो पाएगा.
बोल रहे हैं ना.
Okay.
मतलब it's going like this.
हाँ, ऐसे. Wait. अब थोड़ा सा देखो क्या हो रहा है. कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग दिखा इसमें?
Yeah.
What is that? What is that?
Yeah, there's a पहले ना it was looking उठा हुआ like 3D. Now it is looking with depth, and the design pattern is also changed.
Yes.
Yeah, the design pattern has changed.
So this is the perfect example of showing what light can do as wonders. Okay. So
Yeah.
the bottom part, okay, which was like the darkest one, now it is up and the lightest one is down. So visual perception is that it is recessed, it is inside.
Yeah.
ठीक है, but the moment you do it once again. चलो एक काम करते हैं again. Let's do it at the original one. Check करते हैं अभी.
Yeah.
वापस जाओ, अब देखो.
एक मिनट, ये phone is also rotating. Yeah.
हाँ, अब देखो, correct. अब check करो.
Yes.
इप्शिता क्या बोलते हो?
Yes, sir. The whole thing has changed because of the light and that effect. Here it is looking that उठा हुआ वाला thing और पहले थोड़ा सा दबा
It
हुआ
was
लग
like,
रहा था.
yeah, it was recessed. It was just getting
Yes.
inside, as a 1 point perspective. Now it is coming outside like a pyramid.
Yes, yes.
ठीक है ना? इसको भी एक बार जरा चेक करना है एमी, शायद इसमें भी कुछ मजा आएगा देखने में, right? What do you say? That is also instantly we did it. Huh?
Yeah. I can't see. I'll stop slide share.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है. But check it out what I said, later on, which you just right now you see the picture the way it is, and then later on you do it with the.
I'll pawn it.
हाँ, ठीक है, उसको देख लेना बाद में.
Yes.
Okay, चलो next.
Sir, you can check, please.
Okay. Amy is कविता मातो. अभी इसी में करूँगा या किस में करूँगा?
हाँ जी सर, इसी के ऊपर ही मैंने कर दिया है.
इसी को कर दूँ, ठीक है. Okay. So which one should I see first? I should see this one. ये तो देखा था शायद last time हमने, right?
सर हम देख में आप स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रहा.
Okay, just a minute.
So first one you have seen, second one you have not seen.
Okay, this is the one, huh?
Yes.
Okay, good. So, did you like this exercise?
Yes, sir.
Enjoy it?
Yes, sir. Very much.
Great. ठीक है. What do you think? Something is missing. Something needs to be looked into. Is there something? कुछ है ऐसा?
सर येलो में थोड़ा सा टोन पे थोड़ा पैची आया है, मुझे बीच का इंप्रेशन दिख रहा है. जो ग्रे वाला है, येलो के टोन में.
There's also one more thing. If you see, there's a huge jump, sudden jump in this area. There's no gradual. See, basically till here it should be more towards the red, and from here it should be more towards the black. Okay. So this is more or less the same, but यहाँ तक तो at least till here, it should be like more of a red dominating,
Fine.
Okay. Similarly till here also. So there's a huge sudden jump which is coming in between.
Okay.
So that needs to be looked into, because now these two are looking exactly the same. Same. Can you see that? Same way.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so that needs to be carefully tackled. Okay. Because it's very sensitive. I'm telling you, these colors are very, very sensitive. So you got to be very, very careful while tackling them in a proper manner, making sure that you are having at least a bucket full of water, at least 10 glasses around. Okay. The number of color palettes, okay, with which you will be having, it's very, very sensitive, very, very sensitive. This. So if you try to think that एक ही brush को लेके ऐसे से धो दिया फिर उससे कर लिया, we'll wash it and do it again, so थोड़ा सा problem हो जाता है, you know.
Yes.
ठीक है, चलो good, okay, keep it up.
So there are tasks for students.
Like what?
Students have to prepare 10 different custom colors and then create their shade cards. Sir, I have prepared. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, please.
So like this. Like उनको कोई भी पीच में पहले एक कस्टम कलर प्रिपेयर करना होगा एंड दे हैव टू राइट डाउन द परसेंटेज आल्सो कि उन्होंने कौन सा कलर किस परसेंटेज में लिया है, लाइक रेड 30%, chrome yellow 40%, black 50%, whatever, so that, and then they have to create the tints and shades. So suppose they have to pick fourth from the top, so they know how to prepare that particular shade or tint or shade in future. And after that, after creating the shade cards, then they can make color combination out of them as much as they can.
Kavita, मुझे एक बात बताओ, the one which is in yellow, let's go to the yellow one, okay?
First one?
हाँ, yellow में, correct, okay.
Yes.
Bottom से, if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, bottom से जो 7th वाला block है, okay, how much would be the percentage there of the black and the yellow?
सर इट डिपेंड्स आपने येलो कितना लिया है और ब्लैक कितना लिया है.
You're not getting my point.
हाँ.
आप ब्रश से आप एक कलर उठा रहे हैं,
हाँ.
उसके अंदर थोड़ा सा आप व्हाइट कलर उठा रहे हैं, येलो, उसके अंदर थोड़ा आप मिक्स कर रहे हैं ब्लैक को, ठीक है. अब उसको आप कैसे बोलेंगे कि वो 10% है, 20% है, 30% है जो आपने ब्लैक ऐड किया है, ठीक है. See, on the computer it is very easy क्योंकि वहाँ पे you need to just key in the value, but here manually how will you do it कि ये 10% है, 20% है, 30% है. I hope you're getting the point.
Yes sir, I'm getting your point. Sir, in making shades, black की quantity बहुत slight use होती है, and in making tints, आप exactly वो quantity add कर सकते हैं, but आप black की quantity वो करेंगे तो आपको 4th या 5th नंबर पे exactly black के shades आने शुरू हो जाएंगे. बट उसकी मतलब ब्लैक का रेंज सर बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है और टिंट में आप ज्यादा रेंज बना सकते हैं. सो हमें ब्लैक की क्वांटिटी को बहुत केयरफुली, हम उसमें एग्जैक्टली 10% ऐड नहीं कर सकते. और अगर मैं वही नंबर पे चलूं कि 7th नंबर है तो 7 ड्रॉप्स में ब्लैक ऐड कर सकती हूँ, ऐसा नहीं हो पाएगा सर, नहीं तो वो शेड बहुत जल्दी आ जाएगा.
अरे बाबा मैं वही that exactly my point is, मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि उसमें see you had asked one question कि मैं स्टूडेंट को हमें ये बोलना है कि क्या परसेंटेज में आपने मिला है, because I'm talking from the student point of view right now.
Right.
So because that is too tough. That is too tough if you ask them to वो यहाँ पे, अच्छा मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ आपका, मैं यहाँ पे बोलता हूँ यहाँ पे मेरा 30% है. The one which is on the 4th from the bottom black वाले में 4th नंबर पे मैं कहता हूँ मैम this is 40%. आप मेरे को चैलेंज कर, मैं आपको चैलेंज करता हूँ, आप कहते नहीं ये 40 नहीं है, मैं कहता हूँ आप चैलेंज कर रहा हूँ मैं आपको, आप उसको 50 करके बताओ. What makes you say that yours is 50 and mine is 40? Is there any benchmark, कोई barometer या कोई मीटर लगा हुआ है क्या, कलरोमीटर टाइप का? नहीं ना, it's a manual, precisely. Right. So who's right, who's wrong? Then it's a point of discussion. Then it's a point of, you know, so that because the way you had given your statement, the opening statement, that you ask a student to make your customized color, that is fine, that is one part. But if you ask them to write down what is the percentage they have used, then it will become a problem.
No sir, I have asked, I think मैंने ये कहा है कि उनको कस्टम कलर उन्होंने वो कैसे बनाया है, क्योंकि मैंने इसमें अभी कुछ जो क्रिएट करे हैं वो कुछ प्राइमरी कलर्स है, कुछ सेकेंडरी है. अगर आप देखेंगे इसमें कुछ कस्टमाइज कलर भी है, सपोज ग्रीनिश ऑरेंज, ये कोई टर्शरी कलर भी नहीं है, बट कुछ नया बनाया हुआ है कि क्या चीज किस परसेंटेज में मिली है, तो वो नोट करके रखेंगे कि इन फ्यूचर अगर उनको सेम शेड बनाना है, सो दे कैन मेक दैट पर्टिकुलर शेड. वो जो एक उन्होंने एग्जैक्ट ह्यू बनाया है वो बना सकते हैं इन फ्यूचर. If they know the percentage.
मैं वही तो कह रहा हूँ कैसे वो जो परसेंटेज है ना, वो that precisely my point is कि उसमें जो writing का, see if you go back to your statement, because you had asked कि स्टूडेंट को बोलना है कि उसमें आप परसेंटेज भी लिखोगे, तो all I'm saying कि it is possible नहीं है student के लिए writing the percentage, because वो आप कैसे कर सकते हो, determine नहीं कर सकते ना उस percentage को, because मैं उसको 45 बोल रहा हूँ, आप उसको 40 बोल रहे हो, स्वर्णिमा उसको 36 बोलती है, and आरती मैम जो है, आरती गुप्ता मैम, she says कि this is 55. कौन सही है बताओ, क्योंकि हमारे पास तो कोई है ही नहीं, बेंचमार्क ही नहीं है भाई। आप समझ रहे हैं मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, हमारे पास हम जो when we are counting the BP, we have got a machine, हमें पता 120 and 80 है, right? So we have got a benchmark, but यहाँ पे हमारे पास नहीं है, it's a visual benchmark which we have only,
right?
समझ गए? हाँ, आप ये कह सकते हैं कि इतना ज्यादा मिलाने से आपका ये वाला कलर आ रहा है, इतना कम मिलाने से ये कलर आ रहा है, ठीक है ना? तो वो है, दैट इज द विजुअल बेंचमार्क है, बट इसके अंदर पैसा बेंचमार्क नहीं हो सकता 80, 30, 60% वाला। हाँ, ये हम कह सकते हैं कोशिश करके कि हम जब 50-50% करते हैं तो समवेयर इन बिटवीन दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ कलर विच वी गेट। अगर हम इस व्हाइट को ले लें और इस ब्लैक को ले लें, 50% दोनों मिला दें, 50% का, अब 50% हम किससे बोल रहे हैं? 50% हम ये बोल रहे हैं कि हमने एक ब्रश लिया, उसको ऐसे ऐसे पूरा we just washed it and we dip the entire brush into the same, okay, so whatever the color is coming, that is complete 100%। हमने उसको एक उस कलर पैलेट में कर दिया उसे like this, okay, painted, and then again we wash the brush completely, or maybe we take another brush of the same size, we dip it in the white, and then same whatever is coming color as उसको भी उसमें पूरा मिक्स कर दिया। So we are saying it's now 50% black, 50% white, ठीक है ना? तो इन दोनों को मिला के जो कलर है which is 100%, इसमें दोनों मिले हुए 50-50%। Now that has become my benchmark। अब इसके ऊपर हम बात करेंगे कि इसमें थोड़ा कम ऐड करेंगे white, तो शायद 40% है, वो शायद 30% है, वो 20%, then we so on, ठीक है ना?
Okay, sir. Okay.
ठीक है, anyway, no, I hope you got my point, what I'm trying to say।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I got your point.
चलो, great, ठीक है, next। कविता के बाद है एमी, तो हो गया है, देन हर्लिन
Yes, sir.
मल्होत्रा, ओके,
Yes, sir.
okay। हर्लिन सेकंड वाले में क्या हो रहा है? See, I think what you have done, if I'm not wrong, you have taken first white and then black and then the gray, right?
Yes, right.
इसीलिए एकदम से वो
Right.
है ना? You idea was to have this black underneath because there
Shared,
also,
Raj, you can't see your screen.
Sir, yeah.
oh, I'm so sorry, yeah,
Share the screen.
oh, एक second। Is it fine now? Can you see now? This is the one. Hello, or Jasween, can you see now? Okay.
Yeah, we can see it.
So this is the one. What I was telling Harleen, that what she has done, instead of taking it as a white, okay, white, gray, and the black, she has taken white and the black and then the gray, and because of that, the entire line is jumping up. So it's very difficult for me to actually understand. You're getting my point? Idea was to have this white, gray, and the black. So this is also in the tonality, right?
Right.
So you would have in vertical manner also some kind of, you know.
Sir, I can do that. I can edit the picture.
हाँ.
And I can do that.
ठीक है, उसको थोड़ा एक बार देख लेना कैसे करना है, because otherwise, ठीक है, just have a look into it. And this is the, see, all I can say, I don't know whether it's a photograph or what the problem is. Like, this is absolutely black. It doesn't look like a black, you know, absolute, because
so in fact, white is not looking like a white.
Yeah,
in the
it is
yellow
not looking,
and blue.
Yes.
It is looking like a light gray.
Absolutely.
Yeah, the picture is not coming clear. I tried so many times.
Just try it. Just look into the same fact. Okay. Chalo, great. Okay. But how was the experience like hurling? Doing
It
so?
was very good, sir. Yeah, it was very nice.
ठीक है, बढ़िया. So now could you relate this with your painting, like while you were doing the patchwork
Yes,
wala
yes.
painting? Huh?
Right, sir.
ठीक है. Now let's getting there. Okay. Misha. Misha, this is yours?
Yes, sir.
मिशा ये देखा यहाँ पे जो ब्लैक चल रहा है, how strong your black is.
Yeah.
Absolute. And here you don't get to see that black which is so strong. Can you see there is a light white kind of a streak which is coming.
Exactly.
So what is happening? The brush has already got some white in it, so it has been rolled over types, so that not only the black but the white is also being drawn underneath.
Right.
And the white and the yellow which you get to see, it has got some white into it. I don't know why it is not. I mean, it's too much of. It's a very stark stroke which I see in this painting. What you tried to achieve out here. Okay, this is looking very bright. However, it is little subdued.
Right.
ठीक है. But ठीक है, वो करो इसको try करो, but it's okay. ठीक है. ये ऊपर चला गया. This is becoming like one. इसमें issue है. ठीक है. Okay. Wow, she has done a smart work, huh? काट दिया उसे. एजेस ना देखिए उसके लिए काट ही दिया. बहुत बढ़िया. Very interesting.
आईटी वाले लोग स्मार्ट होते हैं.
वो देख रहा हूँ मैं मिशा में है. She's got this natural. देखा मैंने इसको कहा. हार्ड वर्क के साथ साथ स्मार्ट वर्क का भी है मिशा में. That's a good quality in fact. Okay. This is मिशा. थोड़ा सा ये देखना पड़ेगा आपको. ये आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे? Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
है ना? It's a huge jump. Not only jump, it's a huge jump.
Actually, I was focusing on gray. किस लेवल तक पहुंचना है मुझे?
हाँ बस वही है ना.
हाँ, so it's a huge jump.
It's a huge jump ना. वही इस सारा चीज है. अब यहाँ पे तो ग्रे का पूरा मतलब हाल बेहाल कर रखा है. ये किसी और फैमिली का लग रहा है, किसी और ये तीनों अलग कैसे लग रहे हैं? Though it's the same color, red I guess. ये अलग दिख रहा है. This is something else. This is something else.
But I've done it together only.
But I don't know. Maybe the photograph ऐसा है. ठीक है ना. Just have a look into it. कहाँ पे इशू आ रहा है आपको शायद पता लगेगा. ये भी थोड़ा बहुत जबरदस्ती टाइप का लग रहा है यहाँ पे. ये जो पैचेस जो आए हुए ना इसके, एक पूरा फ्लैट एप्लीकेशन नहीं आ रहा. बहुत जबरदस्ती लग रहा है यहाँ पे. Forced. Can you see that?
Yes.
ठीक है. Anyway, how was the exercise? Did you like it?
Yes, quite interesting. Meditative.
Good. ठीक है जी. Let's do the next. Sarika Dixit has been done. Alan done. Surabhi now, I guess. Misha के पास Surabhi Jain. Okay. Okay. Surabhi?
Yes, sir.
देखा आपने यहाँ पे in the second yellow वाले में?
Yes, sir.
Huge jump, huh? So all these are coming in the same family, like all these three almost. and this also 1 2 3 4 almost
3,
like
4.
same family,
Yes.
है ना? Even here also. इधर तो बिल्कुल डिजास्टर हो गया.
सर मैंने बहुत टाइम बाद किया है कलर. 14
Okay.
15 years.
हाँ ठीक है. But I'm saying कि ये थोड़ा सा
हाँ.
है जो
सर,
देखने वाले
करने के
ठीक है.
बाद खुद दिख रहा है कि क्या मिस्टेक है.
ठीक है, कोई नहीं. तो अभी क्या इसको करेक्ट करने का होगा, इच्छा होगी इसको?
सर ट्राई करूंगी.
कोशिश करना, ठीक है.
हम्म.
इप्शिता. तो टी क्यों बना दिया येलो वाले में? टी बन गया.
अच्छा, this one. Okay.
टी बन गया. ग्रे 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 ग्रे. ठीक है ठीक है. ओके ओके ठीक है. जंप है थोड़ा सा इधर. कैन यू सी दैट?
Yes, sir.
है ना, जंप है इधर. थोड़ा इसको ठीक करना पड़ेगा.
ठीक है.
But altogether Ipshita is quite good. अगर मैं देखूंगा ना तो it's quite nicely, at least जो white है वो white दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, ठीक है.
Yeah.
And especially this is fantastic, very nicely done. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे jump है हल्का सा.
Yeah. So now
इधर
I
हल्का.
got the point that you said ना that center वाले में हमें 50-50 करना पड़ेगा, then we will achieve the right thing. Now I
Maybe.
got that thing.
Maybe
Yeah.
maybe I'm saying maybe. Just एक बार आपने ये तो बना ही रखा है. एक wall. Just try that method also, which I'm telling you. Maybe you will get more precision. Okay. Just have a look into it. Okay.
Sir, I would like to add on. I have done with the similar manner. I
Okay.
have done 50-50 first.
Mm-hmm.
Then it was, nearby. Then
Let me
we, yeah.
Okay.
So you have seen mine.
Which one?
But the problem is, I'm Harleen, sir.
Harleen, okay. Yep,
But the
Harleen.
problem is, you could not see properly now because of the grays under
Yes.
black.
Yes.
Yeah.
तो ठीक है, एक बार
But
उसको
we
करना.
could achieve the 50-50%. That was a better way to do.
So you could see the difference, right?
Yeah, I could
चलो
see.
ठीक है, great. As long as you are getting there, you know. So that is also like hard work with a smart work. Okay, so that's fine. ठीक है. Good, smart Harleen.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, the next one is okay. इप्शिता को हमने कर दिया है. प्रतिभा.
Yes.
प्रतिभा का we will be doing now. So share screen. प्रतिभा ये है ना. हाँ ठीक है. This one correct. Whistler's mother. Okay. Application.
Yes, sir.
Color application.